Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Slime Rancher, where today we are facing in this mysterious direction for a good reason. If you remember, I got the slime key last episode. Time to use it. Dun, dun, dun. We are exploring the moss blanket like a flower blooming from a rocky crack. This emerald expanse hints at what could be. Like torches. And here was what I was talking about how many slimes there are. Look at these guys. And I'll be taking that. Yes, I will. I would just want to get the entries for these guys. So, puddle slime, first of all. You look cute. Nope, no, not pink slime. Boom slime, careful, these slimes have known to explode. I think that was meant to tar. No, get back here, No, you monster. Get in the water. You can kill these guys with water, I know that. Which is why I'm gonna take some water, just in case I need to kill some more tar. Tar should not be allowed to live. It's not good for the humans or us. And don't you guys die if you're not in the water? I kinda don't want to test that, so I'm just gonna put you back in here. But now there's still more to explore. Now where are the honey slimes? There's honey slimes here somewhere. We have all these largos, we have all these guys, but where are thy honey slimes? They are bae and they are my friend. What just came out there? Well, apparently the walls do something some days. I think we have to go through the... Oh no, it's the Guardians. You're not the Guardians of the Galaxy, you're the Guardians of the Slime World, and before you ever explode... Nope, you're not gonna bite me. You're not gonna bite me. No. Go away. Ooh, this was the fruit I could never find. No, you're just mint mangoes. Honey slime. Nothing is sweeter than a recently produced pour of honey. Let's just get one of these mint mangoes. I want to make a farm, but I think that would both be hard and impossible. Now there's something over here I just want to go to. And look, water. I know there's something over here. No, these mint mangoes I feel like are going to be rare at some point. So I'm just going to take them while I can. The unfinished part. And I've already revealed 2 largos in the last episode. But I don't want to reveal the 3rd one yet. Not yet, at least. Just not yet. You'll get the point when you see it. Because the other largo is adorable and it's a nighttime exclusive largo. So I don't really want to go towards him yet. And what? I could never figure out. I keep hearing, like, rumors about a secret cave you can find under here. Like, the Glitched Caverns, I think it was called. Let's just ride along the walls. Right along the right. That's what I've always said. Well, in a maze, at least. Right along the right. Most people just say stick to the left and you'll be out soon. But I don't trust that. I say... Is this a rock? Yes, it is. There's not many stairs here. Just random stairs in the middle of nowhere. Well, anyways, we still gotta go find some things, and boom! Oh. Apparently you can make food grow by spraying water on it. Well, there's another thing we can learn. I still have this gold port, and it's just like, just hanging there. It's like, hey guys, I'm here too. I just feel like you want. I'll be back. Hey, my name's Jeff. You wanna be friends? Don't worry, I'm still here. So you still wanna go up on that friends idea? I will be your best friend. No. Don't worry, I'm still here. You're not gonna lose me that easily. I'm still here. So you better be my friend. You'll never lose me. So you can just say, hey, where are you going? No, don't leave me. No! New friend. Hey, army dudes. Make him explode. I don't know what was up with that slime. But I'm just gonna go over here and figure out what else to mint mango. I don't really like mangoes that much, just mint mangoes. They might be delicious, who knows? Honey. Oh, no. You're a new Jeffrey. Hi, my name's Jeff. You think you can launch me as far? Yes, I definitely can, Jeff. Now, let's go see. Make him explode my minions. No, that other Jeffrey did not want me to. No, not my friend. No, get away from the exploding slimes. Ooh, do I dare you? He has a smile on his face. Feels like he just did something good. No. That's what you get for eating that plort. No. Nope. I'm just gonna leave. Go home. Gonna go home and I can't get back home. Can you really not get back home? Okay. There must be another way out then. Okay, well. How does the phrase go? I'm officially boned. I don't have water, don't let them kill you because you'll lose your stuff, and then you'll die, and then you'll be knocked out, and I don't want it to happen, and because I wanted to Guardians, defend your people! You can fight the rancher, but you can't fight the guys that are trying to kill you all? You know, there's something I don't understand about all you guys. You won't defend yourselves! I mean, sure, the tar has arms, but you're slimy. Tar isn't slimy, it's thick. You could at least try to wrangle out of there. Oh, and I just remembered what the exit from here was. And he just blew me up. It's like a creeper, but it's in a cute game such as this. And I hope you guys can hear this music, because I just think this music is amazing. Now watch what this thing does. Boom. Is the golden plort up on price? No. Let's just rest a day then. Sleep until morning. I'm just gonna keep my gold plort until the prices change. Cause I don't really, cause I know you can sell it at like 500 or something. And I know where everything is. Okay, that last thing probably wasn't as good of an idea as I thought. The bad thing about having this gold port is that it's consuming space. And space is something you really need in this game. Wait, is that possible? I wonder if you could do slime stacking and just hop out of there. Just go. Plort. It's a plort and I like it, and it's a plort. It's a plort and I like it because it's a plort. It's a plort that I really like, and you know it's really hikey. 1, 2, 3. I haven't seen this guy. I do not think. And there's a phosphor slime apparently. But where would he fit in? And I know there's like a green slime. You guys might have seen it on the menu, but I've never seen it. But I didn't know that's how you were able to identify gold slimes. Get rich or die non-wealthy is according to the description of the golden slime. I'm not sure. Something about death and being rich. Nope, mine, and mine. Not yours, mine. See, this is what you get. No. I just want to look at this thing for a bit. I just want to look at it. Just look at this thing. So shiny. Oh, it's pulsating. That means it might despawn, and that's not good. Okay, let's launch this out, and you're gonna go into here because I want this thing to be in the final slot. Oh, I always feel weird whenever I eject it because it's always like worrying me. Like maybe I'll lose it, and it's. You get the point. I don't like it. I don't like ejecting my plorts. I might as well show you the other plort while I'm here. But then again, he eats fruit, and there's not much of that to go around, I say, as I see that army of fruit. Okay, got to get there before any other slime. Any other slime would be bad if they were able to eat this. Yes, give me your fruit, and let me devour it. I saw you eat that. I can't pick you up. But you wanna know what you can do? Go eat a different plort and make us all have good lives. Because with how you're doing now, and here's where the thing is, it's just exiting from it. That might get me killed. Let's go feed him. Yes, the Phosphor Gordo! Oh, he's called a Gordo! I thought it was called a Largo. Well, sorry, bro, but I don't got any more food for you. I cannot take a screenshot, but all I know is this. You're adorable! Nom 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 nom. Slime does not. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Slime no tasty good. Slime not taste. I wonder if I can feed. Pink rock largos will not eat your food. Okay, just run and 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 run. Ooh, it's the rocky hens and also the area that we might actually explore accidentally someday. And rums and dums and belly rubs and tums. And why is there so much star? Why is there so much star? And run, run, run. Can never lose the golden plort. If you lose the golden plort, it's game over, man. You know what? You managed to get all the way up here. Normal slimes can't do that. I'm gonna name you Jeff. No, Jeff! Wait. I always wonder, can you launch a slime over that thing? It's a weird thing to wonder, I know, but can you? But let's just go sell these for now. I'll take that part and you go. And no, get out. Anything for me? That was my reward. Well, you feel all high and mighty, but you know what I am? The guy with the suck pack. You're dead now. You're dead. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to help you again. Oh, I see. I got another cube. The Cuberry. I feel like that would be a Pokemon thing. And is it even a cube? Okay, so it is a cube, but it doesn't appear like a cube. Doesn't that look like a triangle in the thing? Looks like a triangle to me. Eat up, my pretties. Eat up. Eat up, my pretties, and I'll go sell your poops. And plorts for days. I'm just gonna hang on to this gold plort until I actually can do something with it. Because I don't want to waste it. And because wasting it would be a bad thing. And I don't want to do that. Let's just put you back down. I want to do this. I want to see if it's possible. Nope, it's not actually possible to nerd pull a slime and do that. It would would be cool if you could nerd purr or snap. Nerd purr? Well, I messed up that sentence horribly. Wait, is there still a carrot in there? Because there's something I've always wanted to do. Let's go up here, activate, and garden. Then we want the nutrient soil. There we go. Now let's go get, maybe there's a carrot. You guys didn't leave a carrot for me? You know what, just for that I'm gonna kill 2 of your brothers. I know it's a bit demented, but you ate my carrots. You go to garden, shoot a fruit or a veggie. I can't. They took my fruit and veggies. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Slime Rancher, and if you did, shoot a plort over that into that like button, and if you're new and you want to see more of my content, shoot another plort into the subscribe button, and I'll see you all later, slimes. Goodbye. Hope you liked the slime outro.